Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Mexican dish. I'm going to be showing you how to make some green enchiladas with cream cheese and avocado sauce, which are perfect for Valentine's dinner. I hope you like them. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We'll start by cooking the tomatillos and the serrano peppers in water, and we will cook them on high heat until they are tender. It will take about 15 minutes. So remember, you can use as many peppers as you want for this recipe. The sauce can be as spicy as you want it. And I'm using about 8 to 10 serrano peppers for this recipe. And the serrano peppers are more spicy than the jalapeno peppers, so keep that in mind. If you don't want the sauce to be too spicy, feel free to use less serrano peppers, or feel free to replace the serrano peppers with the jalapeno peppers instead. The jalapenos are not so spicy. So like I said, I'm going to cook the peppers and the tomatillos in water on high heat until they are both tender. You can cover them so they will cook faster. So while that is cooking, now in a skillet we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And we're going to fry the tortillas for a few seconds on each side. You just want to heat up the tortillas until they are heated through without toasting them too much. You don't want them to get too crunchy or too hard. You just want to heat them up for a few seconds on each side. Then, once they are heated through, remove them from the oil and just set them aside. Now in the same skillet, now we'll also stir fry half an onion and 1 garlic clove. This will be for the sauce. You can also stir fry some onion rings to garnish the enchiladas if you want to. And we're just going to stir fry these for 1 minute until they become tender and a little bit fragrant. So once the onion and the garlic are done, now place them in the blender, and into the blender we'll also add in the tomatillos and the serrano peppers. And then into the blender we'll also add in 1 avocado, and we will also add in 95 grams of cream cheese. Season this with 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor bouillon seasoning, and also add in 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And we're going to blend this on high until everything is well blended. And I almost forgot to add in the cilantro, so into the blender we will also add in half a cup of cilantro, fresh cilantro. And now we're going to blend this on high until everything is well blended. It will take about a minute or two. So just blend on high until everything is well blended, and once the sauce is done, then taste the flavor, add salt if needed, or if you prefer you can add more chicken flavor bouillon seasoning. And once you're happy with the flavor, now we're going to cook the sauce on medium-low heat until it boils. And if you think the sauce is too thick, feel free to add some water to thin it out. And keep in mind that the sauce is going to thicken a little bit more once it starts boiling, so feel free to add some water if you think it's necessary. So while the sauce is coming to a boil, now we're going to prepare the tacos for the enchiladas. Here I have the chicken. It's already cooked and shredded. I cooked it in salted boiling water with half an onion and 1 garlic clove. Then I drained it, and then I let it cool down, and then I shredded it. Now I'm going to grab the tortillas. Remember, I heated up the tortillas in vegetable oil. Now I'm going to grab the tortillas, and then I'm going to add some shredded chicken right in the middle of the tortilla, and then I'm going to roll it into a taquito. And just keep on doing this with the rest of the tortillas. Just keep on making the taquitos. And then once you're done, over here I have the sauce. As you can see, it's nice and hot and boiling. Now we're going to pour plenty of the sauce over the taquitos so they will become the enchiladas. We're going to add plenty of the sauce on top of the taquitos. You can add as much of the sauce as you want to. And then on top, we're going to add the Manchego cheese slices. And then we're going to place them in the oven or in the microwave so the cheese will melt a little bit. And that's about it. After they are done, garnish them with Mexican cream. You can also garnish with onion slices or fresh cilantro, and that's about it. They are so delicious. I really recommend them. They are perfect for Valentine's. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and everywhere. So all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.